Hello, this is Amina and welcome to SW News English. Now, with the election starting exactly next week, the political environment is all filled up with campaigns, dialogue, debates, and whatnot. The main parties, BJP and the Congress, are giving each other a tough challenge when it comes to election campaigning. BJP's face, PM Modi, and Congress's face, Rahul Gandhi, are straight out putting their promises out in public and at the time criticizing each other and making statements against each other. Today, we will see how the campaigns of both the parties are overall and what is the main focus throughout this election campaign season. If we talk about the area of focus, which simply means which regions of India are seeing more campaigns by the respective parties, first talking about the BJP, PM Modi, who is the star campaigner of the party, is more seen in southern India. Whereas Congress, on the other hand, seems to be more reliant on their Bharat Jodo Yatra 2022 and Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra 2023. In these two yatras, Congress party has covered north, south, east and west. When we talk about PM Modi, he has in the last 4 months made a lot more visits to southern India. The most visited state in southern India for PM Modi in the last 4 months was Tamil Nadu. And when it comes to Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, after his Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra ended, has made more trips to southern India. No doubt he will make frequent visits to south because the seat from where Rahul Gandhi is contesting is Wayanad from Kerala, whereas PM Modi's seat is from North India. Varanasi seat from where PM Modi is contesting witnessed the last campaign by PM Modi on March 9th. Since then, PM Modi has not made any visit to Varanasi. Talking about Rahul Gandhi, he went to Wayanad to file his nomination when he also did a road show there. He is scheduled to Wayanad for campaigning from April 15 and 16. After seeing this, we can say that PM Modi is focusing more on the south because that is a region from where they have to win seats because BJP historically never had good performance from South India, whereas BJP's stronghold is North India. It gets its maximum numbers of MPs from North India. Now, let's talk about the key issues which both the leaders are raising and the promises which they are making to the voters. Talking about the BJP, they are banking more on the Modi's schemes, basically the Modi guarantees and also the national security issue. On the other hand, Congress is focusing more on jobs for youth, caste census, schemes for farmers, migrant workers, women. Point to note here is that BJP has still not released their manifesto, but they are criticizing Congress's manifesto on the other hand. Overall, after all this, we can question, is BJP going to turn the tables in South India? As I had said before, historically South India seats were dominated by Congress party and its allies of India Alliance. But seeing this effort of BJP in the South, one can question the chances of BJP in 2024 from South India. Do let us know what you think about chances of the BJP dominating in the South. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.